And look at the whole head getting down for the YouTube. And color sanding, doing his magic. He's blessing the Integra with his touch. This guy's saved my ass. Took this job. Gonna make this car look pretty once again. It probably was pretty when they got it straight off the dealer, huh? Because when I got it, it didn't look pretty at all. That shit was... The radio support was missing tabs. Dude, the car right here in the back had a fucking rust damage. It had fucking a hole in it. But hopefully we can make it since the shows this year. Jorge over here work his magic. I'm gonna put his description in on the video so you can hit him up. He's located over here in the San Gabriel Valley if you ever need some work. This guy is getting down. Just even doing the paint, dude. Is look at just. And that side's color sand. This side's still fucking still fresh. Can't wait to put this fucking motor in and fucking get her fucking running. This lip came out amazing, dude. Color sand and buffed the fucking lip. You need to get up with Jorge. If you guys need work done, talk to the man. Just getting down. He's kind of shy on camera, but hopefully I upload this video today, Monday, the 27th of January. And then Jason's gonna chrome the wheels, refresh the wheels. Still waiting for that damn bumper part he took. He's holding it hostage probably. Lexan windows. Lexan. What is this stage? It's part 2, right? You did the color sanding. Now you're looking if there's any more. Let's say nips or what do you call it? Dirt.
And then after that, you hit it. First I hit it with 1,000. Now I'm gonna hit it with 1,500, and then 2,000, and then 3,000. So it could be awesome.
You gotta make sure it's nice and.
So when I polish it, it's easier. Nothing comes out. Nothing defective.
Make sure everything's. Man, there's just like a small ass one lip. Right there. But George is getting down. Make sure all those little nips, or what you call it, lips. Make sure everything's cool, and he can next. He has stages. What are like 3 or 4 stages you have to do? Yeah, look at him work. Yeah, I wouldn't have like fucking time to do this or patience, or you would say, because I like just want it done like this, you know, like Even when I was telling you I used to work with my dad and doing shit like that. Yeah. All the displays had to be like spick and span. And coming out clean. What do you say? Coming out tootsies. Yeah, like titties. Yeah, George getting down. When I get this thing running, I'm gonna give you a ride in this thing.
Yes.
You're like, oh shit, and then I'll let you drive it.
Oh no.
You know how to drive stick?
Yeah.
Oh,
but not yours. Not yours, man. Well, I
This-
have no liability.
yeah, freaking. So this is the what, third stage?
This is, yeah.
Third stage.
70 with 2000.
So it's getting down. I'm telling you, if you guys need any work done, hit up this guy. Hit up his George Refinish on IG. We might have a stick. Hopefully, we get a sticker on the Integra. Show some support. He's gonna do a lot of more work to it. He's gonna do the gas cap, picking the handles. What else? Oh, headlights. You see the headlights tomorrow? Whew. Or I'll put it on my IG. We'll make those things look like titties again. Not crusty like before. Man, look at this guy. Fucking chingon, huh?
Oh,
Yeah. This is getting down. Precise, huh? You have a lot of patience because I really couldn't do all that shit. I'm like, fuck. I just want the reaction like right now. Like, I was like, yes, dude, you can even see it like already in the shine. This is cute. Damn. I like titties. God damn. You already see your reflection in there. You can even see the reflection from the ceiling. The little creases in the lines right there, that's on the ceiling. Waving at you. There's a last pass George's doing. A reflection though. Look at that. God damn, dude. Damn. You can see the reflection of the Toyo sign. Woo. The lights are bouncing off the hood, dude. Damn, George got down. Put the XE lip. George took the headlights. Dude, this thing came out immaculate. He also did the back bumper. He's gonna do the gas cap. I gotta go buy one at the junkyard. Shoot. Come on, clean. Thank you, George. I'll put in the description if you guys ever need anything. Fuck. We got a lot of shit to do on this car, but thank you for watching. I sent a little video of when he was spraying it, and right now when he was doing the hood, he did the bumpers and the lip at his house. Yeah, give him a follow. Reach out to him if you guys ever need anything. shoot, he's gonna do more stuff to the Integra. There's more to come. Hopefully, George is gonna come through, do the windows, install the windows for me. He also did the battery tray, so it came out clean. God damn, even the battery tray is clean. But yeah, we have a lot of stuff ahead of us. Hopefully, I'm trying to aim for San Jose Week Fest. Brake lines, I gotta do fix my second gear on the transmission. I gotta do quite a few things before this car is done to take it out to the shows. I sent my mount to Hossport. Chris at Hossport, he's gonna do all the bushings once I get it back, and I'm gonna send the car out to get brake lines, because obviously we need brakes, and obviously I want to keep them clean and tucked away so we have room in this engine bay. But I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Like and subscribe for more. Hopefully we have another video next week. Peace.